Are you ready for craziest fish recipe? This is pink salmon. First thing, let's preheat the oven. Preheat this sucker to 200 degrees. Cut the fins off. Now let's remove the scales like so. Wash it nicely. Alright, put the fish in the dish. Make incisions in it on both sides. Now cut up the mushrooms into nice large chunks. Let's spice up the fish with a little barbecue ribs spice. Like so, rub it in, get it into the incisions perfectly. Put some mushrooms in. Let's stuff it with some mushrooms. Stuff mushrooms in the incisions only on top because they will burn on the bottom. Now some sea salt and pepper on top of the mushrooms. Oven is ready, almost 200 degrees. Let's put the fish in real quick before it gets too cold. Now shut it down. We will cook it for 30 minutes, then just turn it off and wait for 10 minutes. Alright, drum roll. Let's see what's going on in here. Perfectly, look at that pink salmon. It's not overcooked at all. Alright, service. Let's feast. I got some rice and pork plov in here also. Look how pink this pink salmon is. Oh yeah, it's time for mukbang with some mushroom. Let's have this nice bite. Cheers. So soft. Delicious. Alright, thank you for watching. You have the power to make my dream come true. Subscribe. My dream is to have 1 million subscribers. You have that power. Exercise it now. Cheers.